Hi everyone. In this video we are going to be talking about texture. Texture is the way an object feels. So everything you touch has some kind of texture to it, and there are two types of textures. In this video we are going to be exploring actual texture. Texture that you can actually feel when you touch it. You are going to be getting a purple texture bucket, and I want you to explore all the different textures you feel. So you can pick them up, feel them, and I want you to figure out all the different textures that you can think of. So go ahead and pause the video and go get your texture bucket. From exploring the texture bucket, I hope that you came up with several ideas for texture. So like the feather here can be fluffy or soft. This is hard and smooth. You've got rough, bumpy, scratchy, pokey, pointy, squishy, all kinds of different textures. Now that you've explored some texture, you're going to create some actual texture. You're going to get a big piece of white paper, and I want you to fold it in half. And on one side, I want you to write the word actual. Oops. Actual texture. Okay? And we are going to be using this side to create actual texture. On this side, you're going to learn about another type of texture and fill it in there, but we won't be doing that in this video. You're going to get some strips of paper, you have scissors and glue, and you are going to just be exploring how to create a texture. So I'm going to cut in here, and I'm going to fold. So you're going to be cutting and folding and gluing to create some kind of texture. I'm going to cut this even more. And I'm going to glue it down. Now you don't have a whole lot of time to do this, so once you have one idea, just go ahead and stick with it and finish through so that you can finish and move on quickly. So don't use a lot of glue, little dots of glue. That's all you need. Now I'm going to be creating some kind of, looks like a bumpy kind of texture here. There are hundreds of different ways to create texture. This is just one of them. I encourage you to come up with your own idea on how to make texture from these strips of paper. So you can roll it, you can fold it, you can cut it up. However you are going to make an actual texture, something you should be able to actually feel. And that's all I have for you for this lesson. So after you've explored your texture, you are ready to start making your own actual texture. Go ahead and gather your supplies and get started.